Hello everyone! Today we're going to make suspended sculptures. Let's head over to the design galleries to look at a chair with a special surprise. This chair was designed by Shiro Kuramata. Kuramata was a very important 20th century designer. He was born in Tokyo, Japan, and he was trained as a cabinet maker. One of his goals as a designer was to be free of gravity. Gravity constantly pulls things down to the center of the earth. How does this chair defy gravity? Roses are suspended inside the chair seat and arms. They float in a transparent or see-through material. The roses are bright red. They look like they were just picked yesterday. Kuramata wanted to use real roses for this chair, but it was impossible. These are fake flowers that will stay red for a long time. Imagine if someone was sitting in this chair. They would appear to be hovering above a cloud of roses. What kind of shadow does this object cast? I see only shadows of roses and reflections. The edges of the chair seem to almost disappear. Kuramata used clear materials like glass, acrylic, and mesh in his pieces. How heavy do you think this chair is? Even though the chair is designed to look weightless, it's very heavy. It's made out of cast resin. Let's head to the studio and suspend our own sculptures in space. I'm going to make a sculpture of an object I want to preserve or freeze in time. I'm going to make sculptures of strawberries because they remind me of warmer weather. I like to pick them fresh and then I'll save them by freezing them so I can enjoy them throughout the year. Today I'm using scissors, fabric markers, clear tape, fishing line, fake flower petals, twisties wire, a hole punch, and a clear plastic container. I make 2 outlines of a strawberry with wire. I cut out red flower petals in the shape of strawberries. I make a small slit at the top and bottom by folding the edges and making a small snip. I thread wire through the bottom slit and twist to connect to the wire frames. I cut leaf shapes out of green petals. I cut slits. I thread green wire through my petals and the top of the strawberry. I twist to connect all together. I use a fabric marker to add dots for seeds. I repeat with the second berry. Next, I will suspend my strawberries. I use a fishing line to tie a knot around both of them. I punch 2 holes in the top of my clear container. I pull the fishing line through the hole and use a piece of clear tape to secure them to the top. What will you choose to preserve in your sculpture? See you next time.